Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. So in the first tab, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now click on the plus and choose Search Over Document. I'm gonna take a quick photo. Now we can add a shape to the document or the picture. Then you can select title for a photo to make it more visible. Now choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.